Rĩu mohoro marĩa marĩkia gũthundũka kĩroko kĩa ũmũthĩ nĩ atĩ mũtangathi Njorua na ũrĩa ũkoretwo akĩreha tabarĩra ya hagaria for so many years alongside Jeff Kuria Nyoxx Wakata rĩu nĩ arĩkia gũtiga wĩra ceceni-inĩ ya Inooro FM. Ndeto aroka kũrekereria we mwenyewe kũgerera nenda ciake cia ũkinyanĩria in a very heartfelt message kuria ona nĩakorwo agĩtarĩria kana gũkorwo akĩhint on the reason why she has decided to exit Inooro FM. Now this comes already kũrakoretwo na mũhuhu ũratambaga nenda-inĩ atĩ allegedly she might have left the station, and this was around the time rĩrĩa kwagĩire na mũgarũrũku rĩrĩa tabarĩra yao ya hagaria yakorirwo makĩrutwo na gwĩkĩrwo andũ angĩ, na nĩho kwerekanire atĩ Nyoxx may not have been in agreement with the recent changes, na atĩ agĩkorwo wa kwĩruta no nĩacokire gũsurprise Akenya thutha wake gũcokereria na gũkorwo agĩthiĩ na mbere na tabarĩra ona nginya magĩkorwo magĩcokio tabarĩra-inĩ ya hagaria, and things went back to normal. No, just when everyone thought things are now back to normal, she is back and fully back to stay. Rĩu nĩakorwo agĩtangatha gũkorwo akiuma ceceni-inĩ ĩno kaimana, na o akĩonekana gũtarĩria gĩtũmi gĩake, na oho no tũkorwo tukĩrora ndeto ĩngĩ nayo Triza arĩkia kũrekereria no mbere tukĩanja na ici cia Nyoxx Wakata taken to her social media page. Nĩakorwo agĩtangatha her exit from Inooro FM after years of working at this station, 20 to be specific. Rĩu nĩarĩkia gũtangatha kwehuta ceceni-inĩ ĩno kuria nĩakorwo akĩonania gĩtũmi gĩake arĩ gũkorwo agĩetha mĩaramano na njĩra ĩngĩ kana in other places, kuria contrary to what may have been said earlier kana ndeto irakoretwo igĩtambio atĩ she may have not been okay with the management. Nyoxx nĩonania gwĩ thayũ biũ thutha wake gũkorwo akĩmandĩkĩra ciugo nditũ, ciugo cia ngatho na gũkorwo akĩmarecognize othe with this goodbye post that has left many Kenyans emotional. Akiuga it's been real. The 3:30 a.m. alarm goes silent. After nearly 20 years of chasing leads, meeting deadlines, telling stories and painting pictures through the mic, it's time for me to hang up my boots. It has been an incredible journey. Only the Lord could have orchestrated from a young naive girl to the woman I am today. It can only be God. To him and him alone, I give all the glory. The journey has been beautiful, filled with unforgettable moments, wild experiences, meaningful interactions, and lifelong lessons. I've had the privilege of rubbing shoulders with the highest and sitting in tears with the most vulnerable. There has been adrenaline, joy, fear, tears, love, challenges, and above all, genuine passion. With that said, allow me to sincerely thank the entire Raw Media fraternity, from the chairman, Dr. S.K. Macharia, Vice Chair, Gathoni Macharia, the MD, Wachira Waruru, Fred Afone, Wanjiku Gitonga, na mtu wa Soya, Jeff Kuria. Jeff Kuria, thank you so much for the opportunity. To my family, your prayers, support, and encouragement made this journey possible. I am forever grateful. And to the man who stood by me, walked this life with me, corrected me with love, and allowed me to grow. Sio rahisi baba na kupa maua yako. Thank you my love, Kata Jaikata. To my second family, watu wa Inooro, nianze wapi, nimalizie wapi. Thank you for the memories, the laughter, and even the chaotic studio moments. I live with a full heart and friendship I will cherish forever. And to my listeners, my bosses, wakuu, waheshimiwa, wasikilizaji wangu, nyinyi, you welcomed me into your homes, your cars, and your workplaces. We have shared laughter, hard moments, and beautiful music together. You made this journey truly unforgettable. Labda tufanye mugithi ya mwisho, jawa mashalia sija kutaja. Finally, to me, Nyoxx, I am proud of you kama me, for walking through the marshy waters, for overcoming trials, for the times you chose silence when you had every reason to speak. Thank you for not allowing fame, pride, or arrogance to consume you. Now it's time to enlarge your tent, lengthen your cords, cast your net wider, spread your wings, and fly higher, and see what the Lord will do next. This is not goodbye, just the beginning of a new chapter. Na Kenya, maihũiro nĩ maithori ma gĩkeno, but at the same time makĩha, seeing her live, but at the same time wishing her well in her next adventure. Nĩ makorwo makĩmũgĩra ũhoro na ona ithuĩ, we wish her all the best as she exits Inooro FM. Na mũndũ ũngĩ nake warĩkia kũhe Akenya mahũa mao nĩ Triza mamake Mũraya, in a very heavy post. Ona Kenya arĩkĩte gũcokeria Akenya ngatho, na mũno makĩria off late nĩ ũrĩa makoretwo marũgamĩte nake makĩrega kũnyua cai wake, makĩrega acambio na kũrũmwo by the people who have been targeting her, makĩmwĩra ũrĩa nĩahũthĩirwo na ndabatiĩ gũkorwo akĩaria. Rĩu Triza nĩaugĩte na ona kumbũra we gũtirĩ mũndũ atahoyagĩra ona acio maramũiguĩra ũiru, ona acio maramũnyũrũria. She puts everyone in prayer. Nĩ ũrĩa mamũnyitĩrĩire na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ndakahoya rĩngĩ, and now she lives comfortably na depression nĩ yamwehutĩire. Warĩguo arĩkia kwĩra Akenya
very much kwa kupenda Triza. Niliwaambia na ninasemanga hivi, na mwenye anatarekodi rekodi, mlinisaidia moja ya kutosha, na mkaona Triza amesaidika, sijai rudi hapa tena kuambia nyanya. Si mnaonanga bado naendelea vizuri. Na sikataangi nilisaidiwa. Mwenye anakutaka kutusiana sijui ulihodherwo, sijai kataa nilihodherwo. Nilisaidika mmoja safi na nikaondokea. Sikujangi kuwasugua tena, mimi nawasuguanga tu nikiwaambia kujeni tuuze hii, kujeni tununue hii, kujeni tufanye hivi, sikujangi kuambia nipeni pesa ama niko na shida fulani, sijai kuja. Mlisaidia mtu wako na depression hata kama niliwaambia nilijifanya, but saa hii sikujangi kujifanya. Saa hii I'm very okay, I'm much okay. Nafanya mambo zangu, nafanya kazi. So mnafaa kufurahia mkiona mtu mwenye mlisaidia alisaidika. Kuna wengi sana wamesaidiwa tu hapa tukiona anarudia tu hivi. Anarudi tu vile vile tu alikuwa. But mimi Mungu alinihurumia, nilisaidika tu mmoja safi. Na ninasemanga wenye walisimama hiyo idhenya, inaitwa hiyo space, wakasimama na mimi. Hakuna siku nitawahi ongea mabaya ya mtu, hakuna siku nitatusi mtu. Ita nikiomba na ombeanga mwenye wote alinisaidia. Maybe hata kama ananitusi, hata kama ananisikilia wivu, hakuna siku nitawahi mtusi. Nitakuwa nikimwombea tu Mungu amsaidie afike mahali nimefika na togo leo.